Hi, I'm Jojo Avella with Digiprint Supplies, and today I'd like to show you how to identify a genuine Epson DX7 printhead and explain how it differs from other printheads commonly found in large format printers. Let's start with printer brands the DX7 printhead is commonly found in. Roland VS Series, Mutoh ValueJet 1324, 1624, 1638, 426 series, and Mimaki CJV150 and JV150 series. It's important to note that even though these manufacturers use different part numbers and branding, they all use the same Epson DX7 printhead. A DX7 printhead has 1,440 total nozzles, 8 channels, 180 nozzles per channel, and compatibility with solvent and water-based ink. Did you know that these DX7 printheads are not different? All these heads are the same Epson-manufactured DX7 inkjet device. The label or part number may differ, but the physical printhead is the same and can be installed across these platforms. Many customers confuse the DX6 and the DX7. Epson manufactured a DX6 printhead, but Roland, Mutoh, and Mimaki never used it. These printer manufacturers moved from DX5 directly to DX7. This is what some people call the Roland VS or Mimaki CJV150 printheads DX6 when in fact they are DX7. So if you have a Roland VS Mutoh ValueJet 13 and 1600 series or a Mimaki CJV150 series, they use a DX7, not the DX6. Now we're ready to talk about the printhead ID. You may be wondering, the head IDs of each brand are different. Does it matter? The short answer is no. The head ID is simply an identifier. It does not contain print quality settings, calibration data, or voltage information. When installing a new printhead, the printer may prompt you to enter a head ID. If the new printhead uses a different head ID format than the original one, for example, when installing a Roland VS printhead in a Mutoh ValueJet printer, you can either enter the head ID from the old printhead or skip the head ID entry altogether. Either way, the printer will then accept the new printhead and function normally. I should note that this is where people get a little confused when replacing the printhead, so I want to explain what to do in this situation. The key thing to remember is that a DX7 is a DX7. The Roland, Mutoh, and Mimaki versions all use the same Epson manufactured printhead. Different labels and part numbers can make them appear different, but the hardware is interchangeable, and head ID differences do not impact performance, lifespan, or print quality. I hope this helps. Please contact our technical team if you have any additional questions about your printhead replacement.